Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add WhatsApp action button on your Instagram profile or bio. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Guys, I'm going to show in my Android phone, but if you're using iPhone or iOS, you can follow the same step. So guys, without time wasting, let's start the video. Let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, you can see I'm on Android phone, and first you need to check your Instagram updated or not. Go to the Play Store or App Store and type Instagram, and here if you see update option, just update it. If you see open option like me, just open your application. Okay, just open it. Now let's open it first. So here you have to click on this profile icon, and your profile will be open here. You can see this interface like edit profile, add tools, and insight. If this option, if you see on your profile, that means your account is a creator account or business account. If you don't see this option, you have to convert your profile in professional or creator account. How to convert? You have to go in this three line and go to settings. Now go to the accounts, and from here you can see switch account type. You can switch account type from here. Okay, so maybe just switch it and just come back, and then your interface look like this if you already have business account or creator account. So just go to the edit profile, and in order to add WhatsApp button on Instagram, so you have to click on this is action button. Okay, so go to the contact option, and here you can see, okay, WhatsApp business phone number. Just click on it. You have to enter your business. You have to select your country. So in my case I have US. You have to select your country. From here just select the country and just type your WhatsApp number and just click on send code. Then your number, on number you will get the one OTP. Then you have to enter here, and your WhatsApp number will be verified, and the WhatsApp tab you will see on right side. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. Thank you.